What's good, guys? I'm doing a solo video today. Elle is currently busy, so I thought I would record alone. So we're gonna drive on CD here. You see, I've got a cat in my truck. I have a cat. Basically, I'm just gonna drive this truck. I'm gonna go pick up my trailer. And I'm gonna drive this truck to Duisburg on CD. So let's drive while taking care of guys, if you have any names for my cat that is in my cab right now, if you have any names for the cat, please leave them down in the comments. I really want to know what to name this cat. Just leave them down in the comments. Any ideas, any names, doesn't matter what name. Oh yeah, also another thing, if you look on the right of the screen right now, a gamepad overlay thingy mabob. It basically just lets you guys see what I'm doing on my controller. If I'm steering, if I'm going backwards, forwards, if I'm pressing A, B, blah, blah, blah. Let's go pick up my trailer with my cat. Ah, look at the kitty. Okay, we're gonna turn right here. And then we're gonna go right again. Then we're going to turn left, and we should be at our destination. Yep, there we are. The garage, where my trailer is right back there. So I have to actually reverse it. Let me look out my window here. Okay, up the bump. Reverse this into here. Oh, have I got it? Have I got it? I've got it. There we go. Okay. Is my cat okay? My cat's okay. We shall carry on. Oh, that's a nice truck. What's that truck? Scania? It's like a Scania. Or is it a DAF? It might be a DAF. DAF XD or something. XF, sorry. I'm actually going to pull over here and set my sat-nav, so I'm going to be back in 2 seconds. Okay, I am back. I've set my sat nav. Let's check my mirror. Okay, no one's in my mirror. Pulling out. So I've just set my sat nav. We've got 6 hours and 28 minutes till we are there. Let's go. Is he telling me to, like, overtake? What? What's he doing? That was actually kind of risky, but... If you do enjoy our videos, please hit that like button. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, sir. But yeah, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, put on post notification. Now, it's not only going to be me uploading these videos. L also has access to the LCTMP channel now. I gave him the login after searching through my folders for ages to try and find the email. Anyways, gee, what the hell, you stupid idiots. Move then. Fucking A. Oh, we can pull in here for a little break and maybe fuel up. I will pull in. Here we go. Slow down for the bump. Nah, full speed over that. There we go. Brakes. Handbrake. What's my handbrake button? What's my handbrake? I don't know. Space. Oh, it's hold down this one. There we go. I'm gonna be right back and then I will carry on driving. Okay, I'm back. Time to drive. Oh wait, I need some fuel, don't I? Turn around. Just so we don't have to worry about it later. I'm gonna go really close to this guy just to scare him. How's my cat? That's fine. Oh, I missed my turn. Oh no. Excuse me, sir. I'm trying to do an outro. I don't need your hay bales in my face. Okay, that will wrap up this episode of Truckers MP. That was just me driving solo. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, smash the like button, put on post notifications so you never miss an upload, and comment down below what you think my cat's name should be. But yeah, see ya.